Are you ready to feel your heartbeat race? Watch as colossal shredders and steel crushers unleash raw power, delivering jaw-dropping moments no movie could ever match.
God.
Who would have thought $1 million supercar folds like paper when gripped by hydraulic steel? That shocking contrast shows just how small human pride looks beside industrial momentum. Do you feel sorry for that Ferrari? Share your thoughts with me. I'd love to hear them. Watching an old family sedan being flattened is bittersweet.
A few minutes later.
Years of road trips, songs on the radio, and memories with loved ones, all pressed into a block of steel. It teaches that nothing lasts forever, so cherish every mile before the end. The 1602-100 X-100 paired with the 802-50 isn't just raw force, it's engineered precision. Over 10 tons of output per hour, shredding entire 1800mm tires into uniform TDF. That's controlled momentum, maximizing recycling efficiency. Back in the old sawmill days, logs this size needed 3 men and half a day to break down. Seeing the Axter 8012 slice through in seconds is surreal. Progress isn't just speed, it's freeing human hands for safer, smarter work. From the outside, it looks like a monster devouring timber, but every detail, from the 2200mm feed chain to the Scania engine, was designed for efficiency. This isn't chaos, it's controlled destruction serving recycling goals. The real beauty isn't the noise, it's the precision. Each tooth grips metal with just enough force to avoid clogging, keeping the flow steady. That balance of power and finesse is why recycling plants run non-stop without choking on chaos. From the outside, watching workers guide the Fox 1800 is a lesson in teamwork. The machine devours, but it's the human precision around it that keeps recycling both safe and meaningful. When a gas tank rolls into the shredder, danger is written all over it. The slick, curved surface wants to fight back, but the machine's jaws don't flinch. That's why full gear and shields are the real heroes. One mistake, and flying shards could change everything. You could say the Squalo 3000 is the ultimate can opener, except the cans are car frames. Watching it chew through steel feels like nature's version of recycling comedy, because nothing escapes those jaws. And hey, the planet gets a cleaner punchline. Ever wondered how those shafts survive years of punishment? It's not just steel, it's heat-treated, hardened, and aligned so torque spreads evenly. That's why they keep biting day after day without tearing themselves apart. After decades in scrap yards, it's clear why machines like this matter. Older cutters burn fuel fast and wore out quicker. The T1100CD proves progress. Less strain on the system, more steel recycled, and a cleaner planet for the next generation. What makes the VB950E remarkable is its balance of torque and momentum. Instead of brute force alone, the machine calculates every bite of metal, reducing the frame into manageable pieces with minimal wasted energy. That's how recycling gets both efficient and sustainable. Who Who knew concrete that tough could be crushed this fine in a single go? The shock is watching massive slabs shrink instantly to gravel-sized pieces. It's a reminder that engineering can surprise even when the material seems unbreakable. After decades in the yard, machines like this still amaze. Old drums used to take hours with torches. Now the M85 finishes them in minutes. Efficiency is not just about speed, it's about reducing labor risks and giving new life to scrap steel. One can't help but wonder how much energy is really flowing through those shafts. The momentum behind each cut feels massive, yet it's harnessed with such precision. It raises questions about what future shredders might achieve with smarter drives and greener power. The Cat C13 at 460 HP doesn't just power, it synchronizes torque and RPM for maximum shredding efficiency. Biomass output here is consistent, clean, and market-ready. That's engineering tuned for both profit and sustainability. The 580CL isn't just a car crusher, it's engineering precision. A 4-cylinder Cummins diesel at 173 HP feeds the hydraulics, giving steady compaction cycles. This balance of torque and control explains why recyclers worldwide trust its efficiency. Remember when a computer tower was heavy enough to hurt your back? Now those bulky machines disappear in seconds inside an Italian 4X shredder. Funny how yesterday's cutting-edge tech becomes today's scrap, fueling tomorrow's eco-friendly materials. The Zato Cayman RB isn't just strong, it's engineered. With up to 1,200 tons of cutting force, its hydraulic jaws recycle heavy rail with precision. Italian design meets decades of metallurgical expertise, turning waste into valuable raw material. Does anyone know how many tires per hour this mobile unit handles? Specs say up to 8 tons, but in real-world conditions, it looks like even more. Curious if anyone has seen it run on mixed materials, steel wire plus rubber. Built in Germany, this WEEE shredder delivers up to 12 tons per hour throughput. The dual shaft design maintains steady momentum, turning bulky printers into uniform scrap that recyclers can easily melt or reuse. Efficiency meets responsibility. The real jaw dropper is customization. Whether diesel or electric, the Drake 16 adapts to your operation. Add that to its low running costs, and you've got a shredder that doesn't just impress, it dominates the market. Watching the Q85ED chew pallets reminds you how far recycling tech has come. From hand tools to four-shaft shredders, the journey shows how innovation protects both workers and the environment. Hard to believe a Mercedes SLS AMG, once a symbol of elegance, ends its journey under steel jaws. It's sad, but also poetic. Luxury reborn as recycled aluminum, maybe returning as aircraft parts or green energy frames. Even legends deserve a second life. Does anyone know how those hardened gears keep from wearing down? Handling tires with embedded steel wire must generate insane stress. If the gearbox really holds 20,000 hours without overhaul, that's genius German engineering at work. Remember when logs were chopped by hand? Watching Bassa process 50 tons per hour makes that pass feel ancient. Technology didn't just save time, it reshaped forestry into sustainable recycling. The Danish-built M&J 4000M isn't just strong, it's engineered smart. Diesel hydraulic drive means no grid needed, while twin shafts chew through MSW and C&D waste with torque that keeps production stable. Flexibility and efficiency meet in one mobile unit. The sheer momentum here is breathtaking. 4 shafts interlock, grabbing each pallet with relentless pull. It's not just power, it's choreography of steel, ensuring nothing bulky survives intact. Industrial ballet at its finest. That spinning drum grabs copper cables like a beast, crushing with 120,000 lbs of torque. Sparks might jump when steel strands snap, so safety shields and goggles aren't optional. They're survival gear in this wild scrap battlefield. Call it the ultimate car diet plan. Engines go in fat, come out as shredded steel strips. Somewhere, a recycling plant worker is grinning, knowing this mess turns into tomorrow's eco-friendly rebar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next exciting moments.